So, hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. You have so many other options, but you're here, and I don't take your clicks for granted. Thank you so much. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I have a whooping 140 subscribers now. And if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for clicking, and you're welcome. My name is Vu. I'm a mother of one. I live in Lagos, Nigeria, and I'm basically new on YouTube, relatively new. I'm trying to see if I can make it in this world. So today, we're just going to chit chat a bit, but I'm going to be making some carrot juice for my family. I'm all over the healthy lifestyle trend now. Oops. Uh-oh. What do we have here? Let's see. Why is this thing not working? Please let's not do this at this time. Oh, there you go. It's working. So we're going to be making some carrot juice today while we just chit chat about some basic things really. Carrot juice has been my favorite to make so far. But let's put carrot juice aside. I want to know, why is YouTube so hard? I've been taking YouTube consistently for maybe 2-3 months now, and I have 140 subscribers. Granted, I took a break for a long time. I shouldn't take a break, but I'm still trying to wonder, what do I have to do to get all the subscribers I need? And let's not even talk about how much time you have to be on YouTube to start making money. It's a long time. YouTube, come on, bring it down for little small YouTubers like myself. I want to know why it's so hard. I started with doing fitness videos, which I still will do, but it's January. I still need to motivate myself to get back into exercising, so I can have more exercise content. I have a cold, so my voice is going in and out, and then I have a fan blowing behind me, so it's complicating the matter. This is the 16th day of January 2024, and I still don't have any content up on my YouTube page. And then I'm wondering why I'm not going up. I think I'm basically answering myself in this video. I'm contradicting myself. But that's basically what's been on my mind. I'm wondering, what do I have to do to grow my channel? How do I grow my channel? If you have any ideas, let me know. Maybe I should start watching all this content on how to grow your channel on YouTube. They may be helpful. Anyways, how are you? What's the year been like for you? What goals have you set for yourself? And how do you plan to achieve them? I think one of my goals this year is to be consistent on YouTube and grow in editing as well. Oops, oh, it's full. That's empty. One of my goals is to grow my channel and make my videos a lot more fun. I currently use CapCut for my edits, and it's not been bad, but I think there's so much more to learn on CapCut. So I'll give myself a target this year to learn and explore more of CapCut. This is my favorite part of juicing. And then when you do this on slow-mo, it's even fun. Carrot juice is my favorite to make because of the benefits of carrots. They are good for your eyes, good for your skin, good for your hair, good for your digestive system too. If you put ginger in it, which I always put ginger. So I always do carrots, ginger, oranges, tangerines when they're in season, and pineapples as well. For my already and existing, that's tautology, huh? For my existing subscribers, tell me, what do you like about my channel? What do you think you'd like to see more of so I can improve and not just shoot content for myself, but shoot content that you might like as well, so that we can grow together from our very humble 140 subscribers to more in 2024. We can do it. I've explored blogs or vlogs before. I didn't think it was so exciting. I also had a video of me going to mile 12. By the way, I got this carrot from mile 12 and I got all this for 3,000 naira. If you need a plug for carrots in mile 12 in Lagos, let me know. I have a number for guy. He can give you carrots, very, very nice carrots. 12 has become my favorite market so far because you can get things a lot cheaper than you would in your neighborhood malam. So I'm done with the carrots and now I'm adding oranges. I think we'll add some cucumber as well and then ginger and pineapple. I often like to take out the seeds from the oranges because I find the seeds, depending on the orange, the seeds kind of make them bitter. But then there's no telling which orange could cause a bitter taste. So I just take out the seeds from all of them anyway. Do you have healthy juice or healthy drinks as an option this year? I think if you don't, you should. Since I've been since I've been taking carrot juice in particular, I've gotten compliments from people that say, "Oh, my skin is popping, it's clearer." So I guess that's one benefit. It's expensive, but it's worth it. At least you're guaranteed that what you're putting in your body is healthy. Wala 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 wala. For table. So next, I'm going to add some cucumbers for a little more refreshment in your juice. And after the cucumber, we can do pineapple. I like to have them in thin wedges so they don't get stuck in the juicer. If you're wondering, my juicer is from Raylox. I use Raylox juicer and blender. It's been very good so far. And the sellers, I think they are the manufacturers as well. They've been so gracious that each time I've had any challenge or any confusion about my juicer or blender, each time I reach out, they are very responsive. So if you're looking for a juicer to buy, this is not a paid ad, this is not sponsorship. I wish it could be paid. When I grow, this goal of mine of YouTube of this year, I'm like, oh yeah, so I want to introduce you to this product. You don't know that it's even sponsored. But this is not sponsored. That's when I'm rich. I don't hammer for you to go like this. I'll just be doing sponsorships and deals. In the description, I'll be like, this includes paid promotion. Ah, my shoulders will just be high like this. Hi. All right, next we are going to do some pineapple. This is how I like to juice my pineapple. I like to do it in wedges. It's easier for the machine to handle. I do it this way and drop, cut and drop, cut and drop. I often get my fruits from K2 Market here in Lagos and my vegetables from mile 12. So I got 3 pineapples for 1,000, Cotonou pineapples for 1,250. The pineapple is pineapple. So we're all done juicing. So in here there's pineapple, there's carrots, there's cucumber, there's ginger, there's oranges. So this is what we have. I think I've chit chat enough. This is what we have. Carrot juice. Good for your digestive system, good for your guts, may aid in weight loss, may help control your blood sugar. Good for your skin, obviously. This is really nice. It's not as sweet as I used to have before, but it's nice and it's healthy. No be everything was sweet. Enjoy with my broken nail. Mm, this tastes good. On that note, I think I might as well round off on this video. Otherwise, to go on and on and on and on. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. Tell me in the comment section what kind of content would you like to see from me? What do you think I could excel at? Let's grow this channel together and let's have a fun 2024. Thank you and bye.